Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an account on FXCM. In this walkthrough, we'll start from a web search, open a free demo account, and sign into the web trading platform so you can explore features without risking real funds. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type FXCM and press enter. In the search results, look for the official FXCM Markets website. It should clearly show the fxcm.com domain. As a quick safety check, confirm you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar before proceeding. On the FXCM Markets site, locate and click the button labeled Open Free Demo Account. This takes you to the demo registration page where you can create a practice account. In the email field, enter a valid email address that you can access. Using an address you check regularly helps ensure you receive important messages about your demo access if they're sent. Next, select your country from the list. This helps FXCM tailor your experience and make sure the account settings align with local requirements. Then, enter your mobile phone number. If there's a country code option, make sure it matches your location. Only provide your own number and never share it publicly. After submitting the form, you will be provided with demo login credentials. Take a moment to save these details securely. A password manager or a private note you control is a good choice. Keep this information confidential and avoid storing it in shared documents or screenshots that others can access. When you're ready, click Launch Web Platform. This opens the trading interface in your browser. On the login screen, choose the demo option to ensure you're accessing the practice environment. Now enter the login details you saved earlier, carefully matching the username and password. If you've copied and pasted, double check for extra spaces. Finally, click Sign into Demo. You should now be in the FXCM web platform using your demo account. From here, you can explore charts, watch lists, and order tickets to get comfortable with the layout. If something looks unfamiliar, hover over icons for tooltips and consider starting with a small, simulated order to test the workflow. Remember, this is a demo environment, so it's a great place to practice and build confidence before trading a live account. That's it. You've successfully created a free FXCM demo account, launched the web platform, and signed in. Thanks for following along.